Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious tomato nachos. First, select your favorite tortilla chips and a few ripe, firm tomatoes. You'll also need some shredded cheese, perhaps a blend of cheddar and Monterey Jack, and any other toppings you love. We'll then layer everything carefully on a baking sheet, ensuring each chip gets some cheesy goodness. Finally, we'll bake them to perfection, creating a warm, satisfying snack. To begin, finely dice 2 to 3 medium-sized, ripe tomatoes. Aim for small, consistent pieces so they distribute well over the chips. Next, shred about 8 ounces of your favorite cheese. A sharp cheddar or a Mexican blend works wonderfully. Don't forget to drain and rinse a 15-ounce can of black beans, and chop 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro for a vibrant finish. Now let's assemble. Arrange about 6 ounces of tortilla chips in a single layer on a large baking sheet. Even distribution is key for crispy results. Sprinkle half of your shredded cheese over the chips, followed by half of the diced tomatoes and black beans. Repeat this layering process with the remaining ingredients. Bake your nachos in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Once out of the oven, serve your tomato nachos immediately to enjoy them at their best. Garnish with fresh cilantro and consider adding dollops of sour cream, a scoop of creamy guacamole, or sliced jalapenos for an extra kick. You can also sprinkle on some chopped green onions or a dash of your favorite hot sauce. Feel free to customize with different cheeses or even add seasoned ground beef for a heartier meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.